Okay, it is now 1:10. Well, I had a nice scout around earlier and picked some rubbish up that I'm going to take back with me. I had a nice walk over there, see some squirrels, no deer yet. Squirrels is about it, and birds, so we've got quite a few. Oh, and other human beings. And some people walk through with children and that, nice and noisy and scaring everything off. So because of that, I'm resorting to a hobo stove to cook on, which is cool, doesn't worry me. And I've got leftover curry from yesterday. I need to hold my phone properly because I need to stir that. Put some more sticks in the top of here. Can you see what I'm doing there? It's cheap, get some of this dry stuff that I keep with me. And when it's damp like it is, it did rain quite a bit yesterday. So when it's damp like this isn't a bad idea. Now we've got plenty of heat in there. Give that a little bit longer. Let's give that a blow. Sorry about the fingers. Try not to touch any buttons. Oh, no, that's well off. Let's see if I can get a light for me fag. So to be honest, what I'm pretty much waiting for now is the old Bill or someone to turn up and tell me to move on. Which would be a first. I've managed all the times I've been over here and camped out, I've managed to avoid getting spotted, but I suppose with the foliage and everything. The only bad bummer was I actually did have a little campfire on the go, but when I heard the people, I doused that with me water. It only took me a while to get going. So I doused it with me water and put that out, and they spotted me anyway. They spotted the hammer, I think. But there you go. So it's all good. Still really nice to be out in the woods. And there you go. Maybe not the most successful in some ways, but in other ways very successful. Got new boots. Now a tenner. They probably won't last very long, but they do for what I want them to do for the time being. And there you go. Did go out for a hike a couple of days ago with the wife, and that was really good. We managed to have a little campfire to cook our dinner on, and we had to drive to a place called Manningtree, and we walked from Manningtree to a little village called Flatford, to the mill along the footpath, and then we walked from there to Dedham, another little village. They're actually in Suffolk. There's a squirrel over there. And then back again. And we stopped a couple of times. It was really nice, really nice. And that sounds like my dinner is ready, so I'm going to chow down, and I'll stick another video in later probably, and maybe one after that. So there we go. I'll speak to you later on. Bye bye.